Good morning, students. Today I'm gonna teach 9th Maths, 3rd chapter, polynomials. So, important terms related to polynomials. So we'll see what is constant, variable, algebraic expression, and all. First, we'll come to constant. What is constant? Constant means a fixed value. Constant means what? Any fixed value. Any fixed value which does not change. For example, see, I'll write it here. Constant means any fixed value. For example, the numbers -4, -5, 4, 12. These are all constant, right? Doesn't change. -5 will not change. It will be like that itself. If you take in, so which does not change is called constant. And what is variable? Variable means the name itself mentions variable, varying. It will change. Variable means we will take this x, y, z, r, p, q. These are all called variables. Because if in an equation, if they have given some equation like 2x plus 1 is equals to 0, if this is one equation, if you see, so will this x value changes as we take. If x equals to 1, then what you will get? If you take this as p, okay, this is a polynomial, okay, take it as a polynomial, and you will take that as a p is equals to 2x plus 1. So x equals to 1. So what will be p value that time? 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then if you take x equals to 2, what will be p value? P is equals to 2 into 2 plus 1. So that is 4 plus 1, that is 5. So p value changes as x value. So x will vary. We can x takes the value which we assign. Okay, so constant means this number doesn't change. This is constant, right? This is called constant. Understood? The numbers are called constant. These variables, letters are called variables. Then what you have to study? Algebraic expression. So what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a combination, mixed combination of constants, variables, and mathematical operations. Mathematical operations like plus, minus, multiplication, division, that are all mathematical operations, right? So combination algebraic expression is a combination consisting of constants, variables, and may not be separated by mathematical operations. Means if you write 2x square plus x plus 3 is equals to 0. 3. This is one polynomial. So this we can say it as algebraic expression, because what I said, algebraic expression means combination or mixture of constant, variables, and mathematical separated or including mathematical operation. You can have mathematical operation or not also. If you take simply like this, only one term, this here constant is there and variable is there. So this is simply an algebraic expression itself, where you don't have any mathematical operations, plus or minus you don't have, but still it is a algebraic expression. So this is here you have mathematical operations. So algebraic expression means what? It's a combination of constant, variables, and may not be separated by mathematical operations. Then we'll come to our chapters. What is called, that is polynomials. So what is polynomials? What is polynomial now? It is same as algebraic expression. Let me define. polynomial is same as algebraic expression, only one difference will be there. That is, see, let me see, a combination consisting of constant and variable may and may not be separated by mathematical operations such that the exponents of variable should be non-negative integer. See, till here this becomes the definition of algebraic expression, right? I have told you that it's a mixture of constant, variable, and may not be separated by mathematical operations is algebraic expression. In that, one more condition will be imposed for polynomial, that is exponents of variable. Exponents means what? Powers, right? Powers of variable. So you will be having variable, right? This is variable. This variable's powers. Powers should be non-negative integer, means positive integer. It should have only positive integer. It should not contain any negative. For example, if you take 5x power minus 1 by 3 plus 2x. So here this is not a polynomial, but it is a algebraic expression. Okay, algebraic expressions condition only this much. So this becomes algebraic expression. This becomes algebraic expression, okay, but not polynomial. Why? Because minus 1 by 3, see, negative. So it should be a non-negative. So, but you have here negative. So it is not a polynomial. For example, if you have positive also, let me take it as positive, but that time also it will not become a polynomial, because see this 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is a fraction, right? It is not an integer, but you should have integer, positive integer or whole numbers, you can say. Positive integer or whole numbers you should be having. You cannot have fractions and negative in the powers of the variable. So if you have one more example, 5x power 4, 3x square plus 2x plus 5. So here 2x, right? Here power 4 power square, here and nothing is there, means it is understood it is 1. Here x is not there, x term is not there, it is understood that x power 0. Okay, x is not there means x power 0. X power 0 means what? What is the value of x power 0? 1. So 5 ones are 5 only, it becomes. X power 1 is x. X power 0 means value will be 1. So this is polynomial. Here x power 0 is there. You can ask, this is x power 0, no ma'am, whether it is polynomial or not. Yes, it is a polynomial, because you can have 0 also. What I said, non-negative integer, or also you can say whole numbers. You should have the power should be whole numbers, or you can say negative integer, that is positive integer or whole number. It should not contain negative or fractions in the powers of the variables. Take one more example, 3 root t, whether it is a polynomial. Here this is constant, this is variable. Variable power is what? Square root of t. So this square root, how can we write? 3t power half, right? Square root means we can write it as, square root is written as 1 by 2, half. So now power is what? Power is a fraction here, so it is not a polynomial. Consider 2 more examples, let us. So this is a polynomial, right? Constant, variable, power is also correct is there. So it's a polynomial. See about the variables, same x only, no, x square and x. So this is called polynomial in one variable. The next example, see, this is also one type of polynomial, but how many variables are there? Here x only, here, right? Here x and y, two variables are there. So we can say this as polynomial in 2 variable. Next, terms. What do you mean by terms? Terms means polynomial here, this is one type of, this is a polynomial, right? Terms will be terms you will get by separation of mathematical operations. Terms are separated by these mathematical operations. These are the terms. Okay, terms, how will you get terms? Which are separated, terms are separated by mathematical operation. What are the mathematical operations? Plus, minus, not the multiplication. Don't consider multiplication, okay? It doesn't separate. Here 6 into x cube, here into is the multiplication. You should not consider multiplication. Only terms which is separated by plus or minus symbol. You will get terms when it is separated by plus or minus symbol. Here this is plus, minus. So this is one term, this is one term, this is one term, this is term. So if they ask what are the terms in this, you will write 6x cube is one term, 5x square is one term, 3x is one term, and 1 is one term. So here this is minus 3x. Okay, here minus, no, so we have to take it as minus also. So terms you will get when it is separated by plus or minus symbol. So 6x cube is one term, 5x square is one term, minus 3x is one term, minus 1 is. So how many terms are there total? Total 4 terms are there in this. If you take one more example, 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there. What are they? 3x square plus 2x. 3x square is one term, 2x is one term, and 1 is one term. So total 3 terms are there. Next, what do you mean by coefficient? Coefficient. So what is coefficient? Coefficient means these variables, they will ask, they won't ask if they gave, for example, so they won't randomly ask what is the coefficient in this. They won't ask. They will ask coefficient of x cube or coefficient of x, like that they will ask. Variables power according what is the coefficient of x cube, that time this x cubes near which is the constant, that is becomes coefficient. Understood? Coefficient means constant of that variable. So this variable's constant is 2, right? This variable's constant is 5. So coefficient of, if they ask coefficient of x, answer is 5. Coefficient of x cube means answer is 2. Here nothing is there, means what I said, x power 0. X power 0 is 1. 2 ones are 2. So coefficient of x power 0, if they ask, you should write 2 as answer. Let me take one more example here. 7x cube minus x square plus 1. So in this example, coefficient of x cube is what? You have to write constant of this, if x cube is a variable, that together with that which is the constant, that becomes coefficient. So this is, so x cube's coefficient is 7. Then coefficient of x square, so x square coefficient, see here x square, no number is there, right? So you will say what to write? No number. No number means what? There is 1. 1 into x square is x square itself. So if no number is there means it is understood that it is 1. And don't forget this sign. You have to write along with this sign, minus 1. Next, coefficient of x power 0. But x power 0 is not there. What to do? So what I said, if no variable is there, it is understood here. Here no variable is there. No? So there it is understood x power 0. X power 0 means what? X power 0 means 1. So 1, this value will be 1, right? 1 ones are 1. No need of writing, right? So x power 0, so coefficient is 1 itself. So remember this. Don't forget this. X power 0 means 1. X power 1 means 1. X itself. Okay. If you have 0 as a power to any variable, then the value of that will be 1. If you have 1 as a power for a variable, the answer will be that variable is that. So x power 0 is equals to 1. X power 1 equals to 1. X. Not only in variable, in constant also. If you take 2 power 0, so what will be value for this? 1 itself. 2 power 1 is 2. So if you have 0 as the power for variable or constant, the value will be 1 itself. X power 0 is 1 or 2 power 0 is equals to 1. And if you have 1 as a power to variable or constant, the answer will be that variable or the constant. Understood? So if you have 0 as a power, 2 power 0 means that will be 1 or x power 0 is 1. Students, take down some homework problems. First one, which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. You have to say which in these 5 questions which is a one variable polynomial in one variable, and 2, 3 you have to mention, and if it is not a polynomial you have to mention the reason also. First one, 4x square minus 3x plus 1. Second one, y square plus square root of 2. Third one, 3 root t plus 2 t square root of 2. Fourth one, y plus 2 by y. Fifth one, x power 10 plus y cube plus t power 50. Second question, write coefficient of x square in each of the following. You have to write the coefficient of x square. X square's coefficient you have to write. First one, 2 plus x square plus x. Second one, 2 minus x square plus x cube. Third one, pi by 2 x square plus x. Fourth one, root 2 x minus 1. Solve these questions in your homework book. Thank you.